Hi there, Leanne from Dinner Dispatch. You have ordered your meals and I want to give you a sneak peek as to what is going to show up on your door and what you're going to do to get these meals ready to go. So behind me I have a bag that will be what your meals come in if you order 3 meals with our 3 packs. So it's going to come in a silver bag. These are insulated, so if you are not there right exactly when we drop off your groceries, no worries. It's going to stay nice and fresh for you. Here we have a sample of what these 3 bags are going to look like. So how awesome is this? Everything is in here, prepped, chopped, ready to go, looking delicious. So you're going to have your 3 meals in there. If you choose more than 3 meals, you're going to have a larger cooler bag, and that's going to store your meals for you. So that's what it's going to look like. Inside your bag, besides your meals, you are going to have a seasoning kit. So all the seasoning kits are going to look different depending on which meals you've chosen and what seasonings are going to be used to make those just super delicious. You're also going to get a recipe sheet that's going to tell you how you're going to add your seasonings, a direction sheet that's going to show you how you're going to cook your meals, and then a menu plan so you know exactly what is in your fridge or your freezer. Okay? So all of that is included into your bag. So what do you do next? Well, it's really easy. You're going to add your seasonings. That's it. So you're going to look at your instruction sheet. It's going to tell you what you're going to put in there. Jen is going to show us just how easy that is with our 1-pan sausage and shrimp. She's going to add that seasoning. Guys, it's super easy. It's 1 seasoning packet that you're going to add. Here it is. Dump it in. Smush it around. And you're, I know. I mean, imagine how long it would take to cut up those veggies on your own, to get that shrimp deveined and everything else. It's just such a time convenience. Just gonna mush it around, and then this meal is gonna be ready to dump into a saute pan to cook that, or it's gonna be ready to throw in that freezer. So if you've got more than 3 meals that you're going to have at your doorstep, our suggestion is that you're gonna go ahead and season those all first and leave a few out and then put the rest in the freezer. Look at that. Barely got your hands dirty. And look, you didn't even need a measuring device. How awesome is that, okay? I do want to point out that some of our meals come in a bag A and a bag B. So this means that you're gonna season one part with one seasoning and season another part with another seasoning. Easy as that, okay? So that is it. We are super excited for you to get these meals. You are just going to fall in love with how convenient they are to go from your doorstep to seasoned to ready to eat. And we are so glad that you have joined us.